Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Fanvil I12 intercom system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where this is not connecting or if it's not working, you're having anything where it's not working right, a good fix can be to do a factory reset. And especially if you've already tried just a regular reboot and it didn't work, you might want to move on to this step. Now you are going to need to reset everything up because all the configurations and everything will be restored to the factory setting. And that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If you are trying to set this up someplace new, or for whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do this. Since we're wiping everything, we can't do it with the hardware. We have to do it from the web page interface, and you will need the password or whatever because you will need to be able to log in. And then from the login, you'll select System, and then you'll select Configuration, and then you'll see there is a reset button. You will click on that reset button, and that will restore all of the factory defaults on this device.